Hello everybody, how are you? After trekking into these absolutely amazing, wild explorations, I'm seeing an incredible beauty here. Feeling the vibe, feeling the positivity, and trekking through these roads, very nicely built roads, very nice, very vibrant, and feeling the liveness and the joy of being in these spaces is really amazing. And I often feel that the nature has such profound capabilities enabled in itself, packaged in itself, that we're just waiting for it to be uncovered. Rawness, freshness, and aliveness seem to be coexisting here in a very fantastic way, with such levels of coordination that cannot be just described or put into words. Brilliance is one word that I can say as I am standing in these absolutely lush green environments. Huge woods. Wow. Just see. Everywhere. It's huge. So, what I feel is I will be sitting here breathing in this absolutely amazing freshness and being thankful to the Creator and Lord Balaji for allowing me to experience this great space. Jai Balaji. Amazing. It's a powerful code. Good day.